guys, it's Jess. It's been a heck of a long time since I posted a video. I thought might as well, of course, film another one when I'm running late. So I'm going to a Valentine's party, but before that, I'm also going to a flower bouquet arrangement party. And I wanted to do something very girly, very pink, very sparkly, possibly sparkly. I don't know yet. We're gonna kind of find out as we go along and shoot this video. I have a light right here that I'm gonna put on to see if that makes a difference. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get a little lens cleanser for this lens. This guy up. I was cooking the last video, so it's got some smudges. Like, I just did my hair. I did a little like blowout. I have some bangs that I kind of swooped to the side. It's nice because it's kind of very, well, I don't know if you can see it that well actually. Probably should put on my actual outfit before I do my makeup. That's okay, you don't have to. I have a mirror to the left of me. The way everything's kind of set up, I don't think I'm able to look at it while doing my makeup, but that's fine. Maybe we can change it, I don't know. I love BB creams, and this one's very buildable, which I love. Dr. Jart's BB cream. I'm on a white couch right now. I have like these little clips. I'm gonna use the clips. Okay, I'll be right back when I get the clips. Okay, I just put the clips in. We should be all set to go. Touch the ends, and then product comes out through the tips. It's really, really lovely. It dries kind of quickly, but you don't need to set it, but I'm gonna be setting it today because I'm gonna be doing more of a full coverage look. Did we put on enough? Because it dries a bit more on the fast side. I feel like the warmth of my finger really helps with the process of blending. We're so dewy right now. Oh, look at that, look at, no shine. Shine. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it makes a huge difference. I just bought this from Tilbury. I may be late in the game, but that's fine because, oh my God, I love this product so much. This cream contour right here comes with a lock feature, which can open and lock it. So if you want more product, you twist it like this, and then you can squeeze out more product into this applicator. But then when you're done, you close it and you're good. Let's just see. Okay. Oh. Oh God. So this is another brush. It's by Morphe. It's the E8 brush, and I love it. So far so good, but I think I'm waiting too long to blend this out. Blend into the hairline we do. Dubbing. Okay, we're looking like a bronzed goddess, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry if I'm looking into the viewfinder this whole time. Like, it's hard doing this with the tiny little mirror. Blend this so that people don't think it was my first time learning how to contour. Oh, my nose. Did I make it more pointy? I don't think so. I'm gonna bronze like I've never even heard of winter. Oh! Oh! It'll be shiny! This blush, so pretty! Look at that. It tends to fade, powder blush, so put on a little bit more than you would normally, and then it'll last a bit longer. On the nose, perfect. I love going through and making little brow hairs, like strokes in the front. Little flick of the wrist. Bottom lashes. Thanks guys for going along with me on this journey. I love this lipstick, it smells so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm running super late. I have to leave in like 5 minutes and I still have no idea what I'm gonna wear. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys soon. I'll link everything that I used in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you have any comments or suggestions on what other makeup looks you want to see me do, let me know. If you got through the whole video, thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye. Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her.